Hey everybody, Dan with MarineMax Nisswa. Behind me is a 2008 Centurion Avalanche C4. We just reduced the price. This is a very clean boat with only 94 hours on it. It's ready to go. Let's take a look. Beautiful low profile, makes it a great ski boat. It does have plumbed in ballast bags, so you can give surfing a go as well if you'd like. Big clean swim deck on it. Seats are in good condition. We ran this boat through the shop, courtesy lake test, before it goes home to the new owner to make sure everything's good. Come take a look at Nisswa MarineMax.